Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi using gochujang paste. This easy method is perfect for beginners and delivers fantastic results quickly. Kimchi is a staple in Korean cuisine, known for its spicy, tangy, and umami flavors. By using gochujang, a fermented chili paste, we can bypass some traditional steps while still achieving that authentic taste. Get ready to enjoy homemade kimchi with minimal effort and maximum flavor. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 medium napa cabbage weighing around 2.5 to 3 pounds. Quarter the cabbage lengthwise, then chop it into 2-inch pieces. Next, salt the cabbage generously with about 1/4 cup of coarse sea salt, letting it sit for 1 to 2 hours until softened. While the cabbage wilts, prepare your flavorful gochujang paste, combining it with fresh garlic, ginger, fish sauce, and a touch of sugar. Once your cabbage is softened, rinse it thoroughly under cold water to remove excess salt, then drain it very well. Squeeze out as much water as you can. In a large bowl, combine the prepared gochujang paste with the cabbage, shredded daikon radish, and any other desired vegetables like green onions. Mix everything together thoroughly, ensuring the paste evenly coats all the ingredients. Pack this mixture tightly into a clean, airtight jar, pressing down to remove air bubbles. Let your jar of kimchi sit at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. You might see some bubbles, which indicates fermentation is active. After this initial period, transfer the jar to your refrigerator. The cold temperature will slow down the fermentation, allowing the flavors to deepen over time. Your homemade kimchi is now ready to enjoy as a side dish, in stews, or with rice. And speaking of discovering new things, if you love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.